yours?
Uh-huh.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Hey, Molly, check it out.
Hey, we're at the beach.
I love the beach.
Me too. Have you ever been to the beach? It's really fun.
Hi. Would you like a coconut water, miss?
Totally.
Coming right up.
Coconut water, very nice. Mix it up with lots of ice. Shake it, yeah, move your hips. Add a straw so you can sip.
Cool.
Whoa.
Thank you, Sandy. See you at the beach ball tonight.
Beach ball.
Not that kind of beach ball.
Thank you.
A ball is a kind of party where everyone gets dressed up and dances.
A dance party?
Totally. Cool. And at the end of the night, the best dancer gets crowned queen of the beach.
Well, you're a really good dancer, Sandy. Maybe you'll be queen of the beach.
Thanks, Molly. I really do love to dance.
Me too.
You're not going to the beach ball tonight, Sandy.
No way. You're going to have too much work to do. You have to get all these coconuts ready. Sorry, girl.
Come on, Maureen, let's go practice dancing. I'm going to be queen of the beach.
No, you're not. I am.
No, I am.
Okay, hi, I totally am.
Who was that? My sisters.
Aren't they going to help you?
Nah, they never help.
Well, maybe you can finish all your work in time, and then you can go to the beach ball.
Yeah. Maybe.
One coconut water, please, Sandy.
Certainly, Mrs. Peaky Toe. I gotta get back to work, guys. It was nice to meet you.
Bye, Sandy.
Bye.